In this video, I will show you how to create a fast-paced promo edit in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. First, you need to choose the right type of music for your video. So I have a video with go-karts, so I've chosen a very high-paced music with high BPM. You want to make sure that you mark off where all the beat drops are by simply putting your cursor on the beat drop and tapping M. Once you tap M, you will see a marker appear. If I go again, I can see the beat drops and picks up. If I press M, a marker will appear again. So this helps you position your video according to the beat drop and rise. You also want to add sound effects to take your videos to the next level. And you also want to keep your videos in shortcut forms to add that fast excitement to your video. If you would like to add text, simply tap T and select anywhere on your video and start typing. Now if I play my video, you will see it is fast-paced, high energy, high tempo with sound effects and text. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.